Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Sweets are something that I really enjoy, but I usually end up feeling guilty after having them. That's why I learned to explore ways to enhance the nutrition in them, at least minimally. So today I am going to show you all one such interesting recipe. It's called Walnut Chikki. This is a very simple sweet, but it's delicious and definitely nutritious because I am making them with my favorite California walnuts. So let's get started and check it out. For this recipe, I've taken 2 cups of California walnuts. Roughly chop the walnuts. So once you've chopped all the walnuts, just keep them aside. So now we're going to roast the walnuts. To the pan, add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Add the chopped walnuts and roast them till you get a lovely golden brown color. So roasting the walnuts will make it nice and crunchy. This is going to take a few minutes. Make sure you roast them on a medium flame. California walnuts are sweet in taste and creamy in texture. They are the star of every dish or great as a snack. They are grown under strict quality control, making them the best quality walnuts available in the market. Once the nuts are roasted, transfer it to another plate and keep it aside. Grease a tin at the bottom and on the sides with a little bit of ghee. So next we're going to make the jaggery syrup. To a saucepan, add 2 cups of jaggery. Add 1/4 cup of water and mix everything well. So just wait till all the jaggery melts and it's completely dissolved. Just keep mixing it at intervals. The jaggery is completely dissolved. Strain the jaggery syrup into the pan. So this will remove any impurities present in the jaggery syrup. Now the most important and key step is to make the caramel for the chikki. This has to be done very carefully. You can see how the jaggery syrup is bubbling and frothing up. So keep stirring it. So this is going to take a few minutes till we get the right consistency. The best way to know if the jaggery syrup is ready is to drop a little bit of the syrup into plain room temperature water and you can see it instantly forms shape. So this is a good way to test it. Keeping the flame on a low, add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, mix it in. Next add 2 teaspoons of ghee, mix that well. Now immediately drop the chopped roasted walnuts and mix it along with the caramel.
Walnuts are a powerhouse of nutrients. They are the only tree nut that is an excellent source of plant-based omega-3 ALA, an essential nutrient associated with several proven health benefits.
You can see how beautiful that string consistency is. So this is the key to getting the perfect caramel for making these delicious chikkis. Transfer it immediately into the prepared tin and gently press it down on all sides. So this has to be done very quickly while the mixture is still warm. Once you've spread the mixture out evenly in the tin, let it cool down completely. You can let it rest for about an hour or so. Wow, you can see the walnut chikki, perfect. It's set so beautifully. Let's cut this large block into pieces. You can see how crunchy and perfect it is. So here is this incredibly easy, healthy and delicious walnut chikkis that are so quick and easy to make. They make for a perfect snack. You can enjoy it anytime. Make sure you put it in a nice airtight box and enjoy it whenever you please. So here is this delicious walnut chikki that you must try. It's very simple and easy to make. You can actually cut them into pieces and store it in a nice airtight container and enjoy them whenever you please. So do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.